have the information for it, but I don't know exactly the date that they'll be able to install it.
You must get it done within 3 days.
The company's not available to do it within those 3 days.
Well, then come back and let us know. Okay. But I'm not going to entertain any excuses. You also need a lawyer to represent you. So get on that as well. So as soon as you leave here. State, does he have a DWI open elsewhere to refresh my memory, please? Mr. Salinas, did he not have a DWI?
He currently, yes, Your Honor.
He has an open DWI where?
In Navarro County.
So we put conditions on him. I can't. Please, Felicia.
The most recent ones, Judge, or there's been a few that we've amended over time.
What are the current conditions now?
The current conditions now are a peer court every time a case is set on docket, no new law violations, install a IID device in the vehicle, no driving without permission of the court, no drugs, no alcohol, plan to obtain a SCRAM device, and to submit to drug and alcohol testing at the court's discretion.
Did he have a curfew as well?
No, Judge.
He originally had a curfew, Your Honor, but because there were no issues with that, we had it removed.
Okay.
Yes.
And so now our first bond violation report that we had was September 23rd, 2024. And in that one, he had been in lockout for failure, I guess, to pay. I don't know, which is weird because we normally always pay for all of them. A second bond violation report was filed January 6th, 2025, where I guess he was in lockout again because due to no recalibration of the device. And we now, February 4th, 2025, have a third bond violation. And in this violation, the defendant was ordered to obtain a SCRAM device and to refrain from alcohol consumption and not tampering with the device. The defendant's SCRAM device has reported one consumption event that occurred on January 16th of 2025 at 11:55 p.m. It was also confirmed by a SCRAM analyst as well. Correct?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. So.
Yes, Your Honor. So, yes. So to begin with the first amended order for pretrial, so if the state wants a copy, I have a copy to show them, but sure. So, Your Honor, just going to the very first order, as Your Honor just noted, usually agency fees are waived for that. However, the box on that, we're saying that the fees are waived. I believe we're not checked on that. Further, Your Honor, the main purpose here for your determination of giving someone bond in the first place is to establish that they come back to court. So are they a flight risk? And then also are they a dangerous community? Now, Your Honor, if an interlock device is in lockout on a vehicle, it doesn't start. No one's driving that vehicle specifically. There's no way that they can. I could call a witness to testify that, but I know that you
But that doesn't exclude you from violating the conditions.
Your Honor,
are you justifying that because of that you can just?
No, Your Honor, I'm trying to contextualize this because we've been here 2 prior settings before. I know you're concerned greatly about the number that it's number 3 now. I'm trying to establish that the first and second, there was no indication of alcohol consumption or drug use